So as you can see what I got right here, I got a Gately Audio Alpha 12 and I got a Gately Audio box. And well, I need something to push it with, so I got an audio control 1500.1. Let's hook this stuff up and see what happens. Oh my, look at that beautiful thing. Let me just pull, okay, well, okay. We have to regroup to get this speaker out of here. I didn't know it was gonna be this big, damn. Sky High Car Audio, 8-gauge direct leads. So really there's only so much walking around I can do and so much unboxing I can do before it's time to hook this thing up, get it flexing, and then maybe slap it inside this box and see how it actually sounds. Let's get an amp real quick. $1,500 watts at 2 ohms, that's perfect since that sub is a dual one. That's where all the good stuff is. So as you can see, dual 1.9 is just fine. Just talking in here is enough to make this thing move around a little bit. So we got 1 ohm there, and we got one ohm here. So we need 2 ohms. This is how we're going to get it. Take the black from here and the red from here. We'll just twist those together for right now. course, if this is installed, we'll do something a little nicer than that. But there's that. So now these right here should be 2 ohms. So easy money. All right, let's hook it up. Same. There's no bridging. This is a monoblock, so you just choose which one you want to use.
All day, nothing like me. I'm on the shine, see him on my grind. People through the line, cutting, leaving dry. Homie, all I need is time. King every season, I'm that. Homie, that's facts, you whack. You and them pretty lame bitch to the back.
Scraping the pavement with his knuckles. The wheels out there, man. You don't wear a muzzle. West Coast fixture. See casket fueled in this shit for either flapping their lips or warring over a chick. She know that little devil was a finagler and a robber, a thief, a stealer.
Alright, this thing's clearly flexing hard. But let's see what happens when we stick it in this Gately audio box.
Gotta earn your keep. Gotta stay woke while everybody else is back from the legal axis. Got the block pregnant, now it's having contract. Selling that white like the Kardashians. On the churches, so little did she know that a little devil was a finagler, a robber, a thief, popo in the soil. We had it coming.
Damn, what a difference once it hits that box. But we all already knew that was gonna happen. Damn. Straight up getting it. Anybody that puts this in their truck is gonna love it, guaranteed. Damn. Gately audio. And just think, it's underpowered by 1,000 watts right now. Crazy talk. Gotta love it. I'm out.